doing? I'm gonna get ya. I'm gonna get you, Connor. I'm gonna get ya. What are you doing, silly boy? I'm coming to get ya. You're silly. That's your sock. Peekaboo! Get up. Get up. I'm gonna go get your sissy. Get up. Get up. Let's go get sissy. You're not. Get up. We have to go get sissy at the bus stop. Let's go. You coming? Are you coming? Get up. Get up, silly boy. I see you. Peekaboo. Let's go. Let's go get Sissy at the bus stop. Connor. And then your dad wonders why I won't put you on the hardwood floor. Get up. You can do it. Hooray! Okay, let's go, Boo. Let's go get Sissy. Come on. Let's go. We gotta get your sock on and go get Sissy. Connor. Yoo-hoo. You coming? Hey. Let's go get Sissy. Hi. What? Come on. Let's go. Connor. You want a hand? Dear, you did it. Hooray! Let's go get Sissy now. What are you doing? Come on. Let's go get Sissy. Connor. Let's go get Sissy. You want a hand? Hooray! All right. Let's get your sock. Are you teasing me? Are you teasing me? Give me your hand. Give me your hand. All right. Let's go get Sissy. Let's go get Sissy. Are you teasing me? Okay. Let's go get Sissy.